Well, hello there, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're going to do a do-it-yourself project that is very easy and inexpensive, but it will bring a lot of beauty to your front porch. We're going to make a farmhouse cottage wreath using dry oranges. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you're a new visitor, my name is Jacqueline Marie, and my channel is all about home decor, cleaning, lifestyle, shopping, and more. And I would love that you take some time today to subscribe to the channel to join this exciting community. So let's go ahead and get started. This past week, I went to HomeGoods to look at the late summer and early fall decor. And while I was browsing through the aisles, I stumbled into this bag of dry oranges, and they happened to be on sale for $6. So I went ahead and bought it, and I'm going to make a wreath for late summer and early fall. For this project, I need to create a flat wreath, so I'm using a piece of cardboard, and as a stencil, I'm using a plate charger. After I mark the circle using a Sharpie, I'm going to use scissors to cut all around this circle. This is a very easy and inexpensive project to make this wreath. I was lucky to find this bag of dry oranges for $6, but I will show you also on the video how to dehydrate the oranges at home. After I made the larger circle, I'm going to use a smaller plate to create another circle inside this circle. I'm going to continue trimming the edge of the circle so it's closer to the Sharpie line. Now I'm going to use a sharp kitchen knife to start cutting around the inner circle to remove all the cardboard. You can also use your hands and the scissors to remove the excess of cardboard. I'm going to use a box cutter to trim the edge of the inner circle, but because it's a very sharp knife, I need to protect the granite on the countertop. So I'm using this plywood board that my husband usually uses in his Jeep when we go on the beach off-roading. And now the wreath template is all done. Because we're going to use the glue gun, I'm going to remove the plywood board and put this piece of paper on top of the wreath. These are the oranges that I got at HomeGoods. I really hit the jackpot because there is a lot of oranges for $6. I'm going to use a ribbon to make a loop to be able to attach the wreath on the hook that I have at the door. I'm going to use a small amount of glue, and then also I'm going to reinforce it with some staples. And now I'm going to use the glue gun to start putting all the dry oranges around the wreath. When I attach the dry oranges on the wreath, I make sure that they are covering the cardboard. Also, I make sure that I'm overlapping the oranges so they create dimension. We're almost putting all the oranges and it's looking stunning. I love it. There is a few oranges left over, so I'm going to scatter them around on top of the wreath to give some more dimension. To complete the wreath, I'm going to add a bow on the center of the wreath. And now that we completed the wreath, I'm going to show you how to dehydrate the oranges to make this wreath. And then I'm going to give you a tour of the front porch so you can see how beautiful this wreath looks on the door. To dehydrate the oranges, you're going to cut the oranges on equal slides. Then I'm going to use my Ninja dehydrator to dehydrate these oranges. I placed all the orange slides on this tray, and now I'm going to put them on the Ninja oven to dehydrate them. This oven has a dehydrating mode. I did 2 cycles of 6 hours each, and after 12 hours at 150 degrees, this is how beautiful these oranges look. The aroma of these dry oranges is absolutely divine. And now let's head outside to take a tour of the front yard and the porch decorated for late summer. For the late summer decor, I changed the doormat and I got this mat at Michael's for $6. It was 66% discounted, and it matched beautifully with the new door wreath. My friends, this is the end of the video. I hope that you got a lot of inspiration and ideas to decorate your own home. And I hope that you join me next time to continue decorating my house for late summer. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you take some time today to subscribe so you will not miss additional episodes. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. Have a great week.